This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive an Audi A8. First, ensure your key fob is inside the car. Then, firmly press the brake pedal. Locate the engine start/stop button, usually near the gear selector, and press it once. The engine will smoothly come to life. Always confirm the transmission is in park before starting. This ensures a safe and controlled ignition process, preparing you for your journey ahead. Once the engine is running, keep your foot on the brake. To move forward, shift the gear selector into drive. For reversing, select reverse. Remember to release the electronic parking brake, typically a button on the center console. Then, gently press the accelerator pedal to smoothly begin your journey. The Audi A8's advanced transmission will manage gear changes seamlessly, providing a comfortable and responsive driving experience. The Audi A8 offers many helpful driver assistance features. You can activate adaptive cruise control to maintain a consistent speed and distance from the car ahead. Lane keeping assist helps gently guide the vehicle to stay centered in its lane. For parking, explore the various parking assist functions, which can make maneuvering into tight spots much simpler. These systems enhance safety and reduce driver fatigue on longer trips. When you've reached your destination, bring the Audi A8 to a complete stop. Shift the gear selector into park. Then, engage the electronic parking brake by pressing its button, usually near the gear selector. Finally, press the engine start/stop button to turn off the engine. Always ensure the parking brake is engaged for safety, especially on inclines. This completes the driving cycle, securing your vehicle until your next trip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.